Yo, what is up, guys? So today we made 76.08 Sol trading meme coins. That's $6,340, which is kind of crazy because the last time that we recorded this video, Sol was at like, I want to say 120, 130, even maybe 140. Right now, Sol's at 83. I took like a month-long vacation and then I came back and this entire market has honestly been utter dog shit. I've been making like not nearly as much as I used to. I mean, it's slowly coming back to me, but I'm still barely doing my 100, 200, 400 sold days. So, yeah, let's go over everything that I made on today. And I know the market's not doing super well for anyone else either, so it's not just me. But, you know, there's still opportunity to be made. There's still money to be made. I mean, hell, $6,000 in a day is still $6,000 in a day. And I want to emphasize that. And if you get good now and you practice and you lock in right now, you will be rewarded when volume does come back on chain. So yeah, let's go over it. So this is a little inaccurate because it doesn't count my dev wallet. But yeah, so pretty much, okay. So most recent pretty good trade was Lubricator, 3 Sol. It was also a dev. And what this was this person, and it seems to have been a hack, which is why it didn't really go, but this person like posted a CA and then followed an account called @lubricator, and it was like they ended up deleting. Oh no, it's still up. It's a bot, and it was for AI agents to they deleted the website. It was for AI agents to enjoy pleasure. So, you know, we made 3 Sol on that, whatever. Next coin, Taco. I also made 4 Sol on this. And again, a lot of these are crazy, dude. I'm buying like a lot of the supply at floor because you just have to evolve and do this. It's so bad. But yeah, I made 4 Sol on this one. And this one was in Wall Street's bets. Well, it got deleted. Wow, I'm surprised. Well, someone posted a picture of the taco, or like a chart pattern, and they called it the taco. And it was like on this chart that they posted, and the taco was like, you know, like I don't know. It was a meme, but it started getting some traction, and so I deployed it. I made 4. Then I made 1 Sol on Amazon Leo. Amazon Leo was Amazon creating the competitor to Starlink by Elon Musk. They were competing against him. So yeah, that was pretty good. Then we made 9.2 Sol on this, which was OpenAI announcing something called their cyber agent, which I think is a company that they actually ended up buying out. But yeah, they're integrating the cyber agent thing with the logo, so you know that was bullish enough to make 9 Sol out of. Let's see, 0.7 on this one. This was people who worked at Google. They all left their job and created this company called Elorian for visual AI. And I want to emphasize, guys, these coins, like, they used to go to like 20, 30K. Like, if it was this would not have topped up 4.5K beforehand. It used to go a lot higher. So this is kind of the state of the trenches, man. It's really sad right now. But you know, it'll get better. Let's see. Then we lost a couple in a row. So I'll go over the ones I lost on. So Unicorn, Honk Step, Klepe, and Barack. And then I'll go over 25 guns. So Honk Step, never mind. I made 0.5 on this. This was fire. I was up 20 up here. I held all the way from here all the way to bound, and then I watched my bag evaporate and go to 0. So yeah, pretty fucking fire. And it was on Pump Fun Live. This guy was DJing to a group of ducks. Yeah, there you go. It's all recorded. This guy was just DJing for like 20 minutes straight to a group of ducks. And there's lights and the CA and everything. I was like, this is such a good coin. And somehow it just topped at 30K. So, you know, explain that to me. I don't know. I thought this was honestly the most bullish coin of the day. I was like, yeah, I'm in PV. It's going to go to a mil. Like, it was incredible. And yeah, whatever. So I ended up round tripping my entire bag on that. Then there was this coin Klepe, which I ended up buying right here on top of H, Scaro, and Cupsy, and it was a viral post showing like the first image of the nerve map of the clitoris, and it looked like a pepe, so they called it clepe. I got in here and I ended up actually losing 0.8 on this. It went all the way up to 20. I was up. I should have taken at least a profit apparently, because now you can't hold past 2x. And then I held into a loss, and I lost a soul on this. And then I lost 0.5 on this. This was Barack Obama. It was an Elon, like he replied to a video, and they talked at the end of it. It had like a name. Oh yeah, Black President Barack Obama. Let's see. So I thought that was gonna do something. It didn't. Then I made 5 sol on this. This was pretty good. Elon followed this random account with no followers called 25 Guns Tesla. So obviously insta buy that, and then you start doing research. And so I insta bought that. I start doing research on what it is, and it has crazy vol. I bought 10 sol right when it bonded, like literally on the candle, 20k. Went down to 0, then it went back up, and then I sold on this leg up, because after I'd bought, I didn't even look at this red candle. I looked it up. I looked up what is 25 Guns. I find elite group of engineers at Tesla. So I'm like, oh, it's not really that special. And then I just sold on this fall as I saw these green candles, which are obviously people who are like haven't DD'd yet. I'm just clipping like up here, up here, up here, up here. So yeah, I ended up making 5 sol on that. That was pretty decent. And again, 5 sol now is $400. So bro, money's hard right now. I lost 3.2 sol on this. Yeah, I bought up here, and then Hezi bought, and I didn't want to sell on him. And then it goes sideways, 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 and then Hezi's full stacks, and then Zero full stacks, and then Dev sell, and then Waiter buys. And I'm like, okay, maybe, please, please, and then Waiter sells, and I'm just like, fucking hot potato, holding the potato, down 3 sol. Like, dude, shit was bad today. Then we made, oh, this one was good. I made like 35 sol on this one. This was Jenny. This was, there was a coin that was, look at this. The coin, I was like in this here, and I start buying, buy. All of these candles were me, because I'm trying to get this coin at bond. It was at 34. I don't even, it touched the bonding curve, and then it didn't bond. And then everyone just sold it. China sells 15 sol in my head. So all of these buys are me, and then you sell. So I ended up round tripping. I was up a lot more, but I still made 35, which is disgusting, by the way. 35k, like it's criminal. But it was a vamp to a coin that was already really high, and the ticker was like on the website up here with the logo. So yeah, that was pretty decent. Then I lost 0.4 on this coin called Epic. I tried to sneak in the bundle. It didn't work. It was just like a, yeah, you guys have seen this meme before, the Epic base, whatever. Someone tried running it. Then I made 3 sol on Molt Chess, which was like a, oh wow, they're still live. It was a like a project where you like people were playing chess with like AI agents. They were playing against each other, and it was like a tournament of a bunch of AI agents. So that was pretty decent. I got in pretty early. I held all the way up there, and then I just ended up selling down here because I just didn't go. And I lost 0.5 on Dawa, which was the name of a panda. Then, ooh, this one's bad. I lost 6 sol on this. It was a rug. I see it insta spawns up on new pairs. I go to the account. I buy it because of the volume. I go back, and I'm rugged. Yeah, so they posted TA and everything, and they just full stacked me at fucking, yeah, bro. Shit was not looking too good, dude. This was bad. That's $500 just gone to these motherfuckers, bro. Not good. And then I made a few sol here and there. Pepe was pretty solid. So I dev'd this coin called Gen Z. I made 25 sol on, and then it went to 1.7 mil, and it's at 1.1 mil still. So it went super, super high. I dev'd this crazy runner. It went to 2 mil actually. Yeah, look at that. I dev'd this crazy runner. I didn't think it was as good as it was, but apparently it was insane, and it was Van Eck created a ETF and they named it Gen Z, and they added like random Gen Z like stocks into it, like Roblox, Airbnb, DoorDash, all these stocks, and they called the ETF Gen Z. So apparently, like, that was so good, it went to 2 mil. And I would have made so much money. I mean, it's still hovering around 1. This could just go to fucking 10, honestly. But yeah, I made 25 soul. I would have made like 1,000. I don't even. Yeah, that was pretty crazy. So, I mean, we'll see how this goes, but this was a pretty crazy runner that we unfortunately missed out on, but it just looks good on me, I guess. So then I dev'd Pepe ETF and I made 6 soul on that. Then I made a soul on Gigabrain, which was Gary Tan trying to upload his consciousness. I don't know how this didn't go. He tweeted about this a bunch and he created a GitHub repo and literally like is uploading his like brain to his OpenClaw. So that didn't really go well. And then 0.4 on this random coin. Oh yeah, this guy Nick Tsubushi's Nakamoto. I don't know. So yeah, that was that. Then I made 1 soul on Meatloaf, 1 soul on Playtime, 1 soul on Huvie, 1 soul on Podria, -1 on this, -3, -5, and -12. And those are all the trades. Cool. So Playtime, 1.6 soul. It was, oh yeah, someone like found like an old name of Pepe and it was like Playtime Comic. So I tried to vamp the ticker and I made 2 soul off of it. Then Meatloaf, I just scalped this. It was like a sea turtle and the guy made a community and they were like donating fees or whatever. I don't know if he actually did it. But yeah, I literally just sniped the thing the second it came out and then I just scalped it for 1.5 soul. Huvie, same thing, scalped for 0.7. It was like a random website. I bought it. I was like, wait, this website looks like ass. And then I sold. This was, I made a soul on this dev. It was like this guy, like Javier Milei, the president of Argentina, reposted a meme of this like worker Jack. And they sent a different one to 12K. It was called Kuka. But yeah, whatever. So mine was the wrong name. Then I lost a soul on this, Yazelix. It was like a donation fee thing. I think this guy made a coin and donated fees. It didn't go. Then I lost 3 soul on this. It was like the first cloned camel. I thought that was good. And then I bought it at 4K and somehow I lost 3 soul buying at 4K. I tried to run it back up. Nothing happened. Then I lost 5 soul on Mu Duong, which was a vamp to this runner that I lost 7 soul on, also Mu Duong. And this is actually old. This is a year old, but they sent us like 300K, and I blasted here because I thought it was new, and then I look it up and I'm like, wait, this is old, and it's Mu Dang's like brother or something relative named Mu Duong. So I was like, oh, this is good. So I blast, and then I look it up. I see it's old, so I sell. And I sell for a 7 soul loss. And then they just cabal it at like 300K. But as it's going higher, someone spawned this one, and they said in the picture, like, oh, the picture's wrong. It's this one, not that one. So then I bought this one, and then I went to go verify, and I go back to the chart, and I see that I'm full dumped on, and I just lost another 5 souls. So Mu Duong this morning just fucking killed me. And yeah, that's everything. That's pretty much everything. I had like 10 soul in refs and then cashback, so that's why this 76 is a little bit inflated. Realistically, off of just pure trading without cashback and refs, it was probably like 60 or 58 soul. But overall still a good day. $6,000 in this market, like that's all I need. Honestly, if I can do 75 plus a day, I'm really happy because sometimes I'll like trade for a full day recently and just struggle to make like 40 or 50. So I think volume will come back. I think that right now we're just in like a weird position. And yeah, I think there's always just going to be opportunities on chain. Always show up, just adapt. Right now we're in very much a dev meta, which like I guess some people don't like or might say it's mean or scummy or whatever. But at the end of the day, like on chain is is a free for all, and you just have to show up and do what you can within obviously the law and its legal limits, but do anything you can to make as much as possible. And right now it's very, very PvP. There are vamps for every single coin. Deploying has been fully normalized. Hold times have pretty much evaporated, which doesn't mean you shouldn't hold, because there are some coins, like I hit this trade on FOMO of this coin called Runwise, and I held it for like a day and a half, I want to say. And all of a sudden I wake up to Asta like blasting on my head. So I clipped at like 120k after I bought in at 20k. And I had just like those types of coins you definitely want to be holding for a long time. Even like right now, I blasted this coin called eMonad because I think there's going to be a monad season. Aliens, I've been holding this for a month and a half, so they're still holds, don't get me wrong, but when you're looking at like the scope, rather, it's very, very hard to hold something. Shit's super rotational, and yeah, we're struggling right now. So I mean, I hope it gets better. I'll see you guys next time. As you know, ethanprosper.com for everything. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. Peace.